Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Crypto.com application. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So all you have to do is go to your app right here, make sure to sign in, and right now you're on the home page. Then from here simply go to the top left section where there are three dots. And then once you click on that, it will show you this menu where you have to scroll all the way down until you see settings as the last option. Then from here, you're going to click on settings. And then from here, it's going to show you all these options. And one of them is going to be security, which is going to be your main focus. So once you click on security, it will show you under the required passcode when two-factor authentication, passkeys, and all other options. So simply click on the two-factor authentication. And as you can see, you can simply enable it. And then from here, all you have to do is either copy this code right here or scan this QR code using one of the two-factor authentication applications. Now, if you don't know what a two-factor authentication app is, then you will simply go to the Play Store, and the easiest one to use is the Google Authentication app. So you're going to search for Google Authentication, and then from here, as you can see, the first app, Google Authenticator, and once you open it, you can see multiple different authentication codes that keep generating every minute and a half, but the screen is blurred for security reasons. But all you have to do is click on the plus sign that you will find in it and then enter the code, which is going to be enter code details. So you're going to name it as Coinbase 2FA, and then your key, which is going to be pasted from the section that you have just copied, and then type of key, you're going to click on counter based, and that's pretty much it. Once you add it, now you'll have it as your list. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.